Let's face it, the world has changed. Keeping your employees and IT professionals at the top of their game, at home or on site, has become increasingly more difficult to manage. At Webex, we understand simplicity of user experience and management is important to you, as well as providing the best meetings capabilities to your employees without hiding it behind a premium license paywall. In a single app, your users will have your Outlook calendar with all meetings and meeting platforms. Start a personal room meeting, join a meeting, or schedule a meeting or webinar. When inviting people from your organization, you can check everyone's calendar before scheduling. Get deep into advanced scheduling of security, audio scheduling options, and session types, end-to-end encryption included. Your meetings will always be available for further editing direct from Outlook, as if you scheduled it there in the first place. We're all used to toast reminders. However, we tend to dismiss them and can sometimes forget, which is why Webex offers a meeting reminder at the top of your chat window with a one-click join button for whenever you're ready to join. You can even take a sneak peek to see who's in the meeting before you join. At Webex, we believe joining with a video device should make your life easier, not harder. All Cisco devices are available wirelessly to join a meeting when you're close to the video device. Adjust your high-quality video and self-view capabilities with ease. Among other audio options, Webex has the true industry-leading AI noise cancellation, but we didn't stop there. You can optimize for your voice only or for all voices to make an equitable audio experience for everyone in the room. You can share your screen or app, file, whiteboard, camera, and soon-to-be 2 screens at the same time. Present with yourself in front of the shared content with your computer audio. And speaking of optimization, optimize for crisp letters and images. Optimize for smooth movement for videos. Optimize for higher color deep 3D modeling, or simply let the AI optimize as needed. Choose how you prefer your video layout, in grid view, stacked or side by side, or simply drag and drop and move sliders to make whatever variation suits you best. Collaborate live with a library of hundreds of embedded apps, as well as out-of-the-box polling with Slido. Feel free to humbly change your name as you see fit, and sort your participants by name or need. Soon, the gesture recognition we've already delivered is getting a boost with AI capabilities, as well as camera correction, to make your image deeper and more vibrant. If your network can only handle your video at 270p, no worries. Without needing any help from your network, Webex can upgrade your image to 1080p with Webex's super resolution. And Webex will automatically let people know you'll be right back. Webex just announced its generative AI capabilities to allow you to catch up on meeting content you may have missed. Getting meeting summaries at the click of a button. Ask the Webex app for information regarding a meeting you joined or may have missed, or ask it a question about your everyday work needs and let it provide an answer from your work data or back-end tools. And let's not forget Webex is the meeting platform leading the way with hologram meetings. While the future looks amazing, let's take a look at the past.
Webex Assistant is enabled to save audio highlights.
Webex delivered the Webex Assistant 3 years ago to provide AI meeting highlights, notes, agendas, and more. It's still here and available without any additional cost. When highlights are used, you'll have access to a word cloud, fully equipped to take you to the section of the transcript when you select the word and also play the audio of that transcript, all with a single button click. Check out your meeting highlights, play the audio, edit the highlight, or delete it without impacting the transcript. Add a comment to a highlight if you want to add more context, and filter all highlights by highlight type. Ready to send highlights to others? First, let's give the ad hoc meeting a name. And let's make sure the recording name matches so there isn't any confusion. Now let's go ahead and send the highlights to one person, all people, and anywhere in between, direct to the Webex app or email. Forward recording and highlight content direct from the Webex app to a user or a space of your choosing without needing to open another page. Watch the recording from the Webex app and follow along with specific speakers and our speaker tagging capability, and read along to a full transcript. Are you having an ongoing issue in the meeting? Well, tech-savvy or not, Webex will provide some details to understand if it's a PC issue, network issue, or a Webex Cloud issue. Feel free to check further into the real-time statistics of your meeting, and if need be, send your logs direct to Control Hub for your IT or Cisco tech to look at to assist further. For all of you IT admins, set alerts based on live or historical data from the admin console that brings you the most data points in the industry. It will provide alerts for all users, or you can target up to 30 users or devices to monitor, as well as any participant that is in the same meeting with the target. Set up thresholds for both network and hardware. Instead of being notified of every network spike, make sure to set durations to know when there is a real problem at hand. Lastly, set up emails for up to 30 admins, any Webex space or bot, and a webhook of your choosing, and send it direct to your ticketing system of choice. Select an alert to be taken to a pre-filtered analytics page based on the type of threshold that was breached. Webex will provide trends and insights to help narrow down if the issue is holistic or a one-off. Check out the 30 days averages to make sure you're trending in the right direction, and comb through the filtered analytics to see what data you need. Select an impacted user to immediately dig deeper into their audio, video, and share experiences over the last week, month, quarter, or year, and anywhere in between, provided with a top ribbon of insights for the duration you selected. Switch to List View to see all meeting, calling, or video device calls the user has had, and select one to start digging deeper into the user's experiences. Understand their audio, video, sharing, connection details, and use the map to get a deeper understanding if the issue is user or database location specific, all with a simple mouse hover. Reach the deepest level of troubleshooting in understanding the user's network statistics from a send, receive, and end-to-end perspective. Just because they received packet loss doesn't mean it was on their downlink. Webex understands this and solves for it. And finally, understand if the user's PC or video device hardware allocation could be contributing to the problem, and not just the network. Here at Webex, we understand we've provided a daunting amount of data to help manage your collaboration suite. Some might even say it's an overwhelming amount, which is why we provide the insights, trends, and even a customizable dashboard that's as simple as pin, drag, and drop, so you can get the data you want right up front without digging. The Webex portfolio is robust, and the work efficiency is unmatched when you leverage the whole Webex suite and Cisco collaboration devices. Your employees deserve the best. Your employees deserve Webex Meetings.